Hey friends, Running Kimono here. So, we have a really awesome deal that I'm going to explain to you, and it's really fantastic. I know probably a lot of you have been doing this deal as well. It's all over social media. Shout out to Dawn's Deals. We were talking about this deal first thing this morning, and it's quite spectacular. So I did it as a curbside pickup to get some extra savings to use the code WAGS10. But it's this really cute toothbrush by Oral-B, and I think it's like $100+ It's a really expensive one. If you have somebody that you have no idea what to get them, this is the most practical and fantastic Christmas gift. So close to Christmas as well. So this morning we got this digital coupon. So it is a $40 off of an Oral-B IO powered toothbrush. See on the top left hand side where it says only for you. I will let you know that it's a lottery if you get this or not, but I know a good amount of people have received it. I received it on both of my store cards, so just throwing it out there, like, this is really fantastic. So this toothbrush is like, they've really cut the price on it, I guess, near Christmas. So the retail value of this is $119.99. So it's down to $59.94. And with that coupon, I mean, you're paying $20. There's a promotion on this toothbrush as well that when you spend $50 on this specific line, you're going to get $15 back. So any way you slice it or dice it, it's going to be really fantastic. But when I tell you guys you got to move today, which is the 13th, it's because the fine print is that the Walgreens cash for this is, I believe it ends on the 13th as per this. See, it says last chance 3-day Oral-B holiday deal, 12/13. So today's the 13th. If you can get this in today, which is Tuesday the 13th, by all means. I mean, it's just stacking greatness upon, magic. So I had 2 digital coupons loaded for this brush that included $10 off and the 40. So I manually had to go in and unclip that $10 coupon because of course I want the $40 to apply and not the $10 coupon. And I did this as a curbside pickup, just to note that. Also had this friend remaining. I didn't use it, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. So I have reached that with this purchase, and how lovely is that? So looking at the overall basket here, guys, I threw in the brush for $59.94. I had my $40 digital coupon loaded. Plus, when you can type in your little code, I typed in WAGS10, so that took off another $1.99, so like $2 right there. Curbside pickup is free. My tax is $4.84, and $40 off there with the digital coupon. So the new total was $22.80. Now, I used my debit card to pay that down as I'm using that spend booster. I didn't want any trouble, and look what's coming back to me, $22.59. So it basically makes this guy completely for free. Once you pick up the item at store, you will get your Walgreens cash. I want to keep calling it bonus cash. I do not know the price of this in store. I would do it as a curbside pickup so you can get that extra $2 with WAGS10. It's just a much better deal. Say you didn't have the $22.80 to pay. Use $20 in Walgreens cash, pay $2.80, and call this $119 toothbrush for like $3. But it is your call how you want to do this. I'm not going to say you got to do it this way. But yeah, what a superb deal. Any way you slice it or dice it. I did it curbside to get that extra $1.99. But make it happen. And as per the fine print on the website, it says that this little deal ends on the 13th. So when you spend $50, you get back $15. Make it happen. Good luck, guys. Bye.